As a director of the Kòrsou Sport and Olympic Federation, known as FDOK, Federashon, Deporte, Olimpiko, Kòrsou, we were delighted and happy to contribute and assist one of our members, the Kòrsou Draft Federation, on hosting the second FJMJD World Championship for Veterans 2022 on the beautiful island of Kòrsou. The FDOK's mission is to support and encourage its member federations in such a way that their members can practice competitive sport as they wish so that they can excel in this. This competition has certainly contributed to a positive development for the sport of draft on the island of Kòrsou. Therefore, it takes me to congratulate everyone who participated in this great event, and a special congratulations to all those who will be receiving an award on this night. To all of you, congratulations, and please do keep up the good work. I want to finish off by thanking all of you for participating in the second FMJD Championship of Veterans 2022 in Kòrsou, and in contributing to the growth of the sport of draft. I truly hope indeed that you had a great time on our beautiful island of Kòrsou, and I do hope to see you again very soon with us. And the better part of what I said tonight is, to all of you, you come here, you arrive here as friends, but believe me, you leave as family. So thank you, and have a great night tonight.